Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Monday, April 15th, 2019. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 days, you can see that the northern, about 2/3 of the Great Basin has seen the majority of the precipitation. Moving further south into southern Nevada and southern Utah and the Arizona Strip, you can see that there's been quite a bit less precipitation there, and it's well below normal for the past 7 days. We continue to see snow well into the middle of April. Over the past 3 days, you can see from the image on the left, we've had up to 2 feet of snow in some higher elevation locations across Utah and Idaho. If we look at the image on the right, that shows us our snow depth for this time of year, and there's still quite a bit of snow at the higher elevations. It's interesting to compare snow depth this year to what we saw at the exact same time last year. The image on the left shows where we were on the same day last year, and you can see significantly less snowfall on the ground a year ago, especially across the mountains of Nevada. The satellite this morning shows a system making its way through the area, as well as another weather system on its heels moving into the Pacific Northwest. For today, again from this image on the left, you can see that weather system making its way into the area. With that weather system, we will have good to excellent mixing across the Great Basin today. That good to excellent mixing is due to very good mixing heights and strong transport winds. As we move into Tuesday, that weather system will continue to make its way into the Great Basin, bringing us another day of good to excellent mixing across the area. We'll have strong transport winds across pretty much the entire Great Basin, as well as good mixing heights. On Wednesday, we'll start to see mixing decrease a bit across western Nevada as high pressure begins to build into the area from the west. With that high pressure building into the west, transport winds will be much lighter on Wednesday across western Nevada. For the next 2 days, good to excellent mixing is expected across the state of Utah. Over the next 3 days, pretty much the entire Great Basin will see precipitation, with the greatest amounts across the northern parts of the area, as well as western Utah and eastern Nevada. As we move into Thursday, we'll continue to see high pressure build, bringing a change in the weather. We'll see warmer, sunnier, drier conditions than we've seen over the past couple of weeks. And with that high pressure system, our mixing will decrease, particularly across Utah. That high pressure will remain in place on Friday, though will begin to start to break down across the northwest as another system makes its way into the area. We will see good to excellent mixing across the entire Great Basin on Friday. That good mixing will continue into Saturday as another weather system makes its way into the area, and should continue into Sunday as we get another disturbance. So after the next couple of rainy days, we'll see some warmer, drier weather, followed by another weather system for next weekend. In the 4 to 5 day period, precipitation is expected across the north, though significant accumulations are not in the forecast at this time. Finally, in the 8 to 14 day outlook, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for a continuation of wetter than normal conditions, and we are looking at warmer than normal conditions across the southern part of the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.